Hey Eva, what's for dinner?
Tarragon turkey with greens and mushrooms.
Ooh, yum.
So I'm gonna make this recipe for one person, just in case you need to just duplicate this for one person. So start off with no fat. In a non-stick skillet is the best, if you have one. Little bit pepper, just to season the meat. Pink mineral salt. And this is fresh tarragon. So you can use dry tarragon if you like, but if you have an access to fresh tarragon, that would be great. Fresh garlic. And just a little bit of chicken broth, fat-free chicken broth. And basically start cooking your meat with the spices.
There's your fan club.
Yes, that is my fan club because I'm in the kitchen. You can teach a dog to get out of the kitchen, but you can't teach a cat. They come back much sooner. Okay, so you can leave this just steaming for a little bit under a lid. About 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so now then the meat has been cooking for a little bit. Because you're cooking for one and you do not have to weigh the meat separate to make it 3 ounces. You can add the remaining ingredients. Mushrooms. This is measured for 2, but I'm only using half. Brussels sprouts. And actually, this can cook for a little bit longer with a little bit more chicken broth. You can adjust the seasoning if you like more tarragon. There would be time to add it now. More pepper. A little bit more salt. And if you appreciate garlic, a little bit more garlic. So much benefit to garlic, then if you can tolerate it, that's great. We will leave this for a little bit and check a little bit later. So I'm checking this about 4 to 5 minutes, and I don't want the Brussels sprout to be completely done because I'm gonna add a little bit more greens. And this will cook down. So this is baby arugula. Arugula is wonderful for your nitric oxide, so eat as much as you possibly like or learn to enjoy it because it's very important for your health. And at this point, I would just fold this over, mix it up, and then add a little bit more chicken broth just to get the flavors and everything cooked. If you would like it to make it like a soup, add the remaining chicken broth and cook it more like a soup. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, this is ready. And you have a nice soup with greens, very low carbohydrate and no fat.
This smells
Very
amazing.
hearty soup for a winter day. with a ton of cruciferous vegetables, greens, and lean turkey with healthy garlic.
This smells amazing.
Enjoy.
Ooh, and it's all mine.